Hello, class 10th. Now it is your second part of this topic, absorption and conduction of water and mineral. Now, second one, that is diffusion. As you know, diffusion is the movement of molecule, free movement of molecule from the region of their high concentration to the region of their lower concentration. Okay, by the example of this potassium permanganate, अगर हम water में potassium permanganate chemical डालते हैं तो now it turns into orange or reddish color. Okay, now diffusion is started here, and after some time now it turns into that color which you add in this water. Okay, now activity places sugar cube in a small tablet of a soluble dye or a crystal of potassium permanganate in a beaker containing water in one corner. The sugar, the dye or the potassium permanganate slowly dissolve and spread in the liquid. Eventually, the molecules of these substances are diffused or distributed uniformly throughout the water. See this experiment. Okay, this one is beaker 1. Here diffusion started. Now it here in progression. ठीक है, diffusion progressing और now here diffusion completed. जैसे आपने पोटेशियम मैग्नेट कोई भी डाई या कोई भी शुगर क्रिस्टल यहाँ पे डाले हैं तो now it started. ठीक है, diffusion started होगा, movement of molecule from their high concentration to their low concentration and to low concentration when in a direct contact. और यहाँ पे diffusion in progression and now here in the C1 diffusion completed. Okay, now let us see the definition of diffusion applies. In this case, the molecule of dye are more crowded, means more concentrated, and the near near the tablet or the tablet of the dye, these molecules move away farther and farther in the region where there are fewer or absent, मीन्स लेस कंसनट्रेटेड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, यहाँ से मूव करना चालू करें किस तरफ, जहाँ पे उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स नहीं है. नाउ दीज मॉलिक्यूल कंटिन्यूज अंटिल द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. तब तक ये मूव करते रहेंगे जब तक ये यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नहीं हो जाएंगे. स्ट्रिंग विद अ स्पून और अ ग्लास रॉड हजन द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म डिफ्यूजन एंड यू गेट द होमोजियस सोल्यूशन मच faster. Okay, this is diffusion. Now next one, that is osmosis and osmotic pressure. Now osmosis is the movement of water molecule, not a molecule, movement of water molecule from their high concentration to their low concentration. Okay, through the semi permeable membrane, through SPM, semi permeable membrane. SPM है semi permeable membrane. ठीक है, osmosis, in this osmosis movement of water molecule from their high concentration to their low concentration through the semi permeable membrane. Here it's like diffusion. diffusion में कोई भी solvent, कोई भी dye या color या कोई भी पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट का डिफ्यूजन हो रहा था, पर देर इज नो सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन, देर इज ओनली इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट. बट हेयर there is a semi permeable membrane and here only the movement of water molecule here from their low concentration to their from their high concentration to their low concentration. Okay, and from osmosis is the movement of water molecule from their region of high concentration or to their region of low concentration through a semi permeable membrane. What is important to note in the definition, there is only the water molecule move here. Okay, movement of water molecule move only here, and no solvent. Okay, solute. Okay, inward and outward osmosis. Osmosis again are of two type: end osmosis and exosmosis. Okay, with reference to a cell, the osmosis can be either inward or outward. ठीक है, water molecule जब अंदर की तरफ आएगा तो now it is inward or end osmosis, and जब water molecule बाहर की तरफ निकलेगा and that is known as exosmosis or outward. Okay, end osmosis means inward. Okay, or push thrust is the inward diffusion of water through a semi permeable membrane when the surrounding solution is less concentrated. This tends to swell up the cell. एंडोस्मोसिस में क्या होता है, स्वेल अप। सेल हमेशा क्या करती है, फूलती है, लाइक इन रेजिन, किशमिश, ठीक है। आप उसको वाटर में डालो, एंडोस्मोसिस होगी तो नाउ इट स्वेल अप। ओके, नाउ एक्सोस्मोसिस, एक्सोस्मोसिस मीन्स आउटवर्ड। एक्सोस्मोसिस मीन्स outward, is the outward diffusion of water through semi permeable membrane when the surrounding solution is more concentrated. This tend to the cause of shrinkage. Okay, shrinkage of cell. Here cell क्या करेगी, shrink करेगी. Here in endosmosis cell swell up. Okay, can you answer if the concentration of the surrounding solution is the same as the inside the cell, in which direction will the net movement of water molecules be across the cell membrane? ठीक है, यानी कि दोनों का कंसंट्रेशन अंदर और बाहर, सपोज ये सेल है, अंदर का और बाहर का दोनों का कंसंट्रेशन क्या है, सेम है, तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल मूव करेंगे? नो, मूव नहीं करेंगे। हमेशा कब करते हैं, फ्रॉम देयर हाई, जहां पे वाटर ज्यादा होता है तो वाटर उस तरफ मूव करता है जहां पे वाटर नहीं होता है। ओके, now see this experiment of this osmosis.